In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can download music on Spotify so you can listen offline. This is perfect for when you're traveling or you don't have internet access. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. Now to start, you're going to want to search for the songs or albums you want to download. Go ahead and tap that search button just like so, and then search for whatever you want. In this case, I'm going to search for Tate McRae, and I'm going to download one of her best songs, which is You Broke Me First. Go ahead and click on that song that you want to go ahead and download, and then you can either select Add to Playlist, and then New Playlist up at the top, and then you can also give that playlist a name and tap Create to download a bunch of music at once, but this process works the exact same nonetheless. So say this is the playlist that I went ahead and created. There's going to be these three dots right next to this little icon here. Go ahead and click on that and then scroll down and you'll see the download option. Now note, you are going to need to use Spotify Premium in order to go ahead and do this. Spotify Premium is a paid plan that enables offline listening. For individual songs, the process is the exact same though. Click on those little three dots and then scroll down until you see the download option. Just keep in mind, once again, this does require a Spotify Premium subscription, but that is it. It really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Have a great day.